We are super excited. We've been training all fall, all winter. We're past the holidays, getting ready for ArborSPORTS 2026 at Arbor Expo. Ed Carpenter with North American Trading Solutions. Last year went great. We are excited to do it again at the Biggie in Springfield. We're going to be taking 12 teams in the pre-qualifying rounds on each day, March 26th and 27th, and a chance to win in a head-to-head competition where teams from different companies are coming together to compete to be the best at the show and the best in the industry. We have $1,000 cash prize, thousands of dollars worth of equipment. How well can you work together with your team to cut safe, cut quick, all for the chance for bragging rights, $1,000 cash, and thousands of dollars worth of equipment. All you have to do is sign up for the show, you have to pre-register, and you better have your PPE ready to go for ArborSPORTS. Can't wait to see you there in Springfield.